Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to unbox the iPhone X or iPhone 10, whatever you want to call it. Now this is the black version. So there are two versions, black and white. So I was thinking on which one to buy. Then I generally like black phones. I don't like white ones. So finally I decided on buying the black one. So this is the 64 GB version. So let's go ahead, unbox it and see what all do you get with this. Now I've already got the Apple Watch, so the Series 3 watch. You will be seeing that video later on, or maybe I've already posted it. I don't know whether this is going to come first or that one, but I think I don't need an unboxing knife. Okay, that's nice. I don't have to use the knife. Put that aside. Okay, so okay, solid box. Now generally I see phones right in front, but this time they don't have a phone in front. They have this cover. We'll see, there are a lot of pamphlets in that. We'll see that later on. So that is the phone itself, the iPhone X. So I've got the black version, so this is how it looks like. We'll talk about that later. So with this, basically you get only four. Okay, so you get four things. One is the charging adapter. Second is the lightning cable. Third is the lightning cable to 3.5 mm jack converter, and then a lightning cable earpods. So those are the things that you get with this. So 1 2 3 4 four things, and the phone 5. Okay, so let's see what else do we get. I don't know if they are still giving the Apple stickers or not. Okay, so there's the Apple sticker. So you get this. I've never used it till now, but I have a collection of them, never used it. So you have the SIM ejector tool, some pamphlets. Okay, let's see this. Okay, so then this tells you about the Face ID and how to use all the different features, the side buttons, the slide button, the power off, on, how to do that, because now the button scheme has changed. So we'll talk about that later on. So let me go ahead and keep this aside, and then let's take a look at the phone itself. Okay, so it's time to remove this plastic cover from it. Okay, there's something about that sound. Okay, that's done. Let's keep this aside. So that's the phone.
Okay, so let's take a look at the iPhone X itself. Now the build quality on this is premium. On the right hand side you have the SIM tray and the hybrid power button. We'll call it a hybrid power button for now. I'll explain that later on. To switch it on, switch it off, there are different functions. You have to use multiple keys now because the home button has been removed. So the function has been given to other buttons now. So we'll call it a power button for now. I'll explain that later on. You have the antenna bands over here on both the sides. You have the antenna bands at the bottom also. So that design is the same. Now I've got the black version, so it actually, let me just lock it. It actually merges completely with the entire body design. So this has a gunmetal finish. So I really like that. I've seen a lot of people buy the white version, but I don't like that one that much because the band and the body's color is too different. So this one almost merges, so that's why I like this. On the left hand side we have the volume keys, the volume up, volume down keys, and the notification slider. So this is a two-stage slider, silent and uh, regular sound. On the bottom you have two mesh, so one of them is a speaker and one of them is a mic. So there, you don't have two speakers here. You have a lightning port over here for charging and data transfer. And one good thing is this uses two speakers, one at the bottom and one on top. So it uses a combination to give a fuller sound. So we'll be talking about that later on in our later videos. So that's it. That's how it looks like. Back is completely glass and it has the curved finish to it. I feel that there's a little gap, but I don't know. Maybe it's intentional. There's a little gap. Maybe there's a rubber seal here so that if it falls, the glass doesn't break that easily. So I feel that there's a little gap, but that's okay. The camera is in portrait mode now, So all the other ones are in landscape mode on top. Even the iPhone 8 Plus is landscape, this is portrait. So uh, ideally this should help you in taking better pictures, but it doesn't really matter to me. Doesn't make much of a difference. Now you do have an actual telephoto and a regular lens. You do not have like how the OnePlus 5T and the OnePlus 6 has both wide angle lens. This has a true telephoto lens which can get good depth of field. So I've been using it for the past 2 days, and the depth of field is amazing. The picture quality is amazing. I have started shooting most of my videos with this on 4K 60 frames per second, and the quality is excellent. Just that the video size is almost 5 times of the video size that I had with my other phone, because of the quality that I get from this. So camera wise, excellent. I can't really compare it with any of the phones because I do not have anything more expensive than this, so I can't really compare it. Yes, OnePlus 6 and all do not come near it. So one of the best cameras that I've ever used on a smartphone. Okay, so let's talk about the screen now. Now that's what is different about this phone. Actually, very different about this phone. Now this, let me just show you the information over here. So the screen size is different. The main difference that you'll see in the screen is the body to screen ratio that has changed. Now the notch on top, they actually give you some extra information, like over here you'll get the time, we'll have the service provider's name over there. Over here you'll have the LTE band, you have the battery and all these functions. Now, because of this entire design, everything has been changed on iPhone X. For example, the notification panel now, it, you don't get a notification panel like this. So from the bottom, nothing comes up. For notification panel, you'll have to do it from the right hand side. You'll have to pull it down, and the notification panel comes out. But for the rest of the notification, sorry, the control center. The control center comes from the right hand side. Now, the notification panel is from the middle or from the left hand side. So wherever you want to pull it from, it's fine. So the notification will come from there. It's really, I mean, it really takes time to get used to the Face ID thing, because the Face ID is actually slow for me. Um, Ideally, people say that it's really fast. It's really fast. Yes, it's fast, but it doesn't unlock. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. It's locked. Now I unlock it. Now it takes time to see me and the lock opens, and after that it doesn't unlock. I have to pull it up like this and then I get to the home screen. So whereas on the other phones that I have, like the OnePlus 5T, now I'm getting the OnePlus 6 today, so we'll be doing an unboxing of that also later on. Even that, the face unlock is so fast you don't even see a second screen. You do not have to swipe, you don't have to do all that. So that's what is missing from this, which I don't like. Uh, the thing I like is the accuracy of the face unlock, even in no light. I'm talking about no light, not low light. uh, OnePlus uses the screen's light to get the face recognized, but this uses a different thing, which is, I mean, a lot of people in layman's term call it as dot technology. So it actually sends a lot of dot and then recognizes your face. So I've heard that it even recognizes you with the glasses on, but it does not. This one does not recognize me with glasses. We will be talking about all that in our later videos. So all in all, excellent phone. The camera in front is a 7 megapixel camera which takes excellent pictures. So I'll be doing the camera comparisons later on. So I really can't compare it with many phones because this is the best, or at least one of the best. So I can't really compare it, but I'll be doing sample shots and showing you how to use it. A lot of people have problems in using the portrait mode. There's a trick on how to take pictures in portrait mode with this from the front and back one. So I'll be talking about that. We'll be doing some photo shoots and then show you how to do that also. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.